Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sridevi, and I am now doing an exercise on decimal fractions. This is exercise 4A for class 7 from Selena Conscience Mathematics book. Let us quickly move on to the exercise. Question 1. Convert the following into fractions in their lowest forms. So, see this. 3.75. That is equal to, see, 3.75. So there are two places after decimals. So I do 375 by 100. I put two zeros, okay, because I'm shifting points towards the right from two places. HCF of 375 and 100 is 25. So I divide the numerator and the denominator by 25. That is 375 divided by 25. 100 divided by 25. That becomes 15 by 4. Hope this is clear. Next one, 0.5. So the numbers after the decimal place is 1. So I shift the point by 1 place. So it becomes 5 by 10. That in the simplest form is 1 by 2. Next one, 2.04. The decimal numbers after the decimal point is 2. So I shift the points by 2 places after the decimal point. So I put 204 by 100. HCF of 204 and 100 is 4. So I divide 204 and 100 by 4. So 204 divided by 4 and 100 divided by 4 is equal to 51 by 25. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds. Moving on to the fourth sum, 0.65. Again 0.65, two places after decimal point. That becomes 65 by 100. Then that is 65 divided by 5 by 100 divided by 5. That is equal to 13 by 20. Hope this is clear. Next one. 2.405. So the number of digits after the decimal point is 3. So shift the point 3 numbers to the right. So it becomes 2405 by 1000 because we're shifting points by 3 places. That is equal to 2405 divided by 5. That is equal to 1000 divided by 5. That is equal to 481 by 200. Hope this is clear. Sixth one, 0.085. Again 3 digits after the decimal point. So it becomes 85 by 1000. That is equal to 85 divided by 5 by 1000 divided by 5. That becomes 17 by 200. Next one, 8.025. That is 3 digits after the decimal point. It becomes 8025 by 1000. 8025 divided by 5. 1000 divided by 5. You get 1605 by 200. Again you can divide this by 5 to get it to the lowest term. So it becomes 1605 divided by 5 by 2000 divided by 5. That is equal to 321 by 40. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Convert into decimal fraction. 4 by 5. Converting the mixed fraction, you get 14 by 5. 14 by 5 into 2 into 2. Multiplying by 2 on numerator and the denominator to get 10 as the denominator. So you get 28 by 10. It is easy for you to shift the decimal points because we just have 1 0 in the numerator. You put 1 point. You start point, you just mark 1 point, that becomes 2.8. 79 by 100, 2 places since it is 100 in the denominator as 2 zeros, so that becomes 0.79. Hope this is clear. Moving on to the third sum, 37 by 10,000. 4 places since it is 1000 in the denominator, that is 4 zeros. So 4 places. 7, 3 is 2 numbers. You have to put 4 places. So since you don't have any other digits, you add 2 zeros in front of 3 and it becomes 0.0037. So 37 by 10,000 is equal to 0.0037. Just pausing in for a few seconds. Now 754 7,543 by 10 to the power of 4, that is equal to 7,543 by 10,000. 4 places, since it is 10,000 in the denominator as 4 zeros. So 4 numbers, 3, 4, 5, 4, you have 4 numbers, so it becomes 0.7543. So 7543 by 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 0.7543. Just pausing here for few seconds. 3 by 4. So you can just follow the division that I have done. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. So 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. Next one, 9 3 by 5. Converting the mixed fraction, you get 48 by 5, and please follow the division that I have done, and the answer is 9.6. Hope this is clear. Next one, 8 5 by 8. When you convert this, you get a 68 by 5. Please follow the division that I have done. Just pausing in for few seconds. Therefore, 8 5 by 8 is nothing but 8.625. The last one, 5 7 by 8, that is equal to 47 by 8 when you convert the mixed fraction. Please follow my division. I'm just pausing in for few seconds. And the answer is 5.875. Hope this is clear. So 5 7 by 8 is equal to 5.875. Let's quickly move on to question number 3. Write the number of decimal places in first one, 0.4762. After the point, how many places are there? 4 digits. So there are 4 places. 7.00348. After the point, how many digits are there? 5 digits. So there are 5 places. 8,235.403. That is nothing but after the point you have 3 digits. So the answer is there are 3 places. 35.4. After the point, how many digits are there? It's just 1 digit. Therefore, it is 1 place. Next, 2.608. After the decimal point, how many places are there? It is digits are there 3. So it is 3 places. 0.000879. How many digits are there after the point? There are 6 digits. Therefore, there are 6 places. It is simple. Question number 4. Write the following decimal as word statement. Very easy. 0.4, 0.9, 0.1. The way you tell, it is 0.4. Write it in words. 0.4. 0.9, 0.9. 0.1, 0.1. So you just write it in words. Very easy. Next one, 1.9, 4.4, 7.5. The way you read, you have to write it in words. 1.9, 4.4, 7.5. These are all sums where you can score, so just don't miss it. 0.02, 0.56, 13.06. So the way you say, you write it 0.02, 0.56, 13.06. So just pausing. Now 0.005, 0.207, 111.59.